The Great Pyramid of Giza is made of over 2 million stone blocks, some weighing as much as 9 elephants, and it was built without a single modern machine. No cranes, no engines, no metal tools stronger than copper, yet somehow it's still standing over 4,000 years later. For centuries, people genuinely believed it was impossible. Some even credited aliens, because the math just didn't seem to add up. But archaeologists have slowly pieced together exactly how it was done, and the real answer is almost more impressive than aliens. First myth to bust: it wasn't slaves. Tomb inscriptions and worker villages nearby reveal these were paid laborers, fed, housed, and even given medical care. In the 1990s, archaeologists uncovered an entire city built specifically to house these workers, complete with bakeries, breweries, and medical facilities. Skeletal remains show healed fractures, meaning injured workers were treated and cared for, not discarded. Tens of thousands of workers rotated through in organized shifts, much like a modern construction project. Most of the core blocks came from quarries right next to the pyramid site, but the finer casing stones traveled much further. Fine white limestone was quarried from across the Nile, and massive granite blocks came from Aswan, over 500 miles south. These enormous stones were loaded onto wooden barges and floated directly up the Nile River during flood season, when water levels made transport easier. Once on land, the real challenge began. How do you move something weighing over 2 tons across the desert? The answer? Wet sand. Workers poured water directly in front of wooden sledges, reducing friction dramatically, allowing teams to drag massive stones with far less effort. Egyptian tomb paintings actually show this exact technique in action, workers pouring water just ahead of the sledge's path. Once at the site, the next challenge: how do you lift 2-ton blocks over 450 feet into the air? The leading theory involves massive ramps, built from mud brick and rubble, spiraling gradually around the pyramid as it rose. Teams of workers used ropes, wooden levers, and sheer coordinated manpower to haul each block into position. Some researchers believe internal spiral ramps were used for the upper sections, hidden within the structure itself. Their toolkit was almost shockingly simple. Copper chisels, wooden mallets, and stone hammers were used to carve and shape each block. Bronze didn't even exist yet in large-scale use. This was all achieved in what's technically still the tail end of the Stone Age. Here's the part that still stuns modern engineers. The base of the pyramid is level to within just 2 centimeters, across a footprint the size of 10 football fields. They achieved this using simple tools, water levels, and careful star alignment, with an accuracy some modern builders struggle to match. The pyramid's sides align almost perfectly with true north, a level of astronomical precision that took modern scholars decades to fully understand. Most estimates suggest the Great Pyramid took around 20 years to complete. That means generations of workers spent their entire careers building a structure they may never have seen finished. The pyramids weren't alone. Across the world, other ancient societies were solving similarly impossible problems. Stonehenge's massive stones were transported over 150 miles, using nothing but timber, rope, and raw manpower. Each of these projects shares the same secret: not advanced technology, but advanced organization. This wasn't just one clever trick. It was thousands of small innovations, working in perfect coordination, sustained for 2 full decades. No aliens, no lost advanced civilization, just extraordinary human organization, patience, and engineering, at a scale we still find hard to believe. The most incredible part isn't the stones. It's that ancient humans coordinated tens of thousands of people toward one single goal, with nothing but ropes, water, and shared purpose. We built the internet, and we still can't organize a group project without an argument. They built one of the 7 wonders of the world. Sometimes the most advanced technology isn't the tool, it's the organization behind it. Comment which ancient structure you think we still can't fully explain.